Good morning, welcome back. We're off on another long weekend. Not going too far, Ingabar Fields for us. We haven't been there this year. I don't even think we went there last year, I'm not sure. But yeah, we're going to go a long weekend. Our neighbours are going to be there as well, so we'll meet up with them. However, look at this glorious weather. It's not going to last. There's a storm coming. Every time we go away now, we seem to hit a storm. Bit of a trend developing there. Anyway, we'll see you when we get there. I don't know whether you can see that. The awning's blowing a bit. Quite steady though, apart from the sides. You probably can't see through here very well, but she's blowing like anything. At the back here we're up against some trees, so she's got to play like anything, but they don't decide to change the branches. Second time in many weeks we've been away this storm. I hate caravan, isn't it? Land caravan, but yeah. Hopefully, according to the weather forecast, the wind should change direction in a little while, so we should be a little bit more sheltered, but fingers crossed anyway. So yep, we're at Ingabar Fields. We haven't been for a couple of years. Things haven't changed that much. We're on a grass service pitch. I think there's about, I don't know, a dozen in total, but half of them are shut off, so there's only 6 available. The hard standing ones are all full at the moment. And if you know this site, it's in 2 halves. The first half you come to near reception, and then it goes up and round a hill, and then you're on the other side. The other side's fully closed at the minute, although you can walk around there. So they've shut that down and reseeded a lot of the pitches to get a head start on the grass, I suppose. And then I think this one, don't quote me on it, but I think this one shuts at the end of the month. End of October, or is it end of November? I don't know. But it's shut for the winter anyway. So yeah, not quite sure what we can manage to get up to today, but no doubt we'll enjoy ourselves. I'll speak to you later. Well, we ventured out after the second half of the storm. We've come up to Cromer from the cliff top car park, and we're going to have a little walk. Sharon's hobbling along on a crutch, look.
Hiya. Bit hard with this dog pulling me.
Oh well, there you go. Let's see what we can see. That little dog is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Mind you, I think we must be crazy coming out on an afternoon like this.
Everybody's out on it. Look at these two.
Oh, not everybody, dear.
Well, nearly.
Yep, sea's died. Hey, la da. My tongue's frozen. The sea has died down. It's calmed right down from what it was this morning. You see the pier in the end there, in the distance. Got the lifeboat on the end. Let's hope they don't have to go out anywhere today. That didn't last long. Come here. You ain't gonna manage to climb. Come here. You ain't gonna climb up there, are you? I don't know if she did.
You like that, Daddy?
There's the poor old girl struggling on up the hill. I'd give her a piggyback if I could. I don't think my back would take it. Love her. That's the one thing about going from a walk. You've got to go back to where you come from. And most of it is uphill now. I don't think for 1 minute you'll be able to see, but two or three people windsurfing out there. 2 kite surfers, one on a board. Brave souls or complete lunatics. What do you think? And so we make it back to the car. That's a very welcome sight. Let's hop along. There she comes, look. Clunk, click, clunk, click. She's done surprisingly well, bless her. She hasn't complained at all. And I just, for the record, I'd just like to make this clear. That was my dear wife, Sharon, who wanted to come out on this long walk. Oh no, you're not. Anyway, let's get back in the warm, in the car.
And the girls have been brilliant.
Yeah.
Our big girls anyway, not the little ones.
The little one's just troublesome.
Go.
Oh, they're off. He's got his thing on his front. Be off tomorrow, I think. There's our neighbours.
Yes, Tracy and Nick. They must be home. Yes, I can see him. And Tracy.
Big old motorhome on there now.
Fun. Oh yeah.
Very well.
Right, here we are. Back at base. There's our caravan.
Well, mid-afternoon. Taking the opportunity to get out while the rain has stopped. It's still blowing quite a lot though. I'm up on top of the hill. Sorry, in the distance there you can see I've got what that's what it's called now. Wood Hill on the coast, on the cliff top. They're brave souls they are. The sea looks fairly choppy. I don't know if you'll pick it up on this video. A lot of white water out there. Cromer in the distance with the church. Manor Farm campsite over there. And then of course behind us we've got Ingabar Hills, which as the girls look, enjoying a walk. To get out in the fresh air nowadays. And then over here, I don't know whether we'll get to see much of it. There's Beeston over there. Beeston Stump. The golf course. Just catch a glimpse of the site down there. It's certainly blowing. Right, I'm going to make my way back now.